Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening, night time. It's a little bit late, I'm almost falling asleep, and this story is Orpheus and Eurydice. Love story. I always love story. Orpheus was the most skilled musician on earth. The whole wide world, there was one most skilled, most talented, most romantic, most charming musician, Orpheus. He sang sweeter than a nightingale, and he could play any, n'importe quoi, no matter what, 任何一样, any instrument, expertly. No one can beat him. The god Apollo even gave his lyre to Orpheus so that he could hear what music Orpheus could create with it. Apollo, the most precious, most cherished lyre. You know what the lyre is made of? The string of the lyre is made of the cow, the bull's intestine of Apollo's most cherished cow. So it was a very, very precious thing. Yeah. And Apollo know that Orpheus can play good music, so he even lent Orpheus his most cherished, most prized, most darling lyre to Orpheus. And Orpheus was also married to a woman named Eurydice, whom he loved with all his heart. Life is too perfect. Sometimes when life is too perfect, you can hardly make music, right? When you think about the starving musician, well, there are a couple of musicians. They live a happy life, and they make a lot of money, they make a lot of tours, and they make good songs, but from the bottom of the heart, it's actually hard work and a miserable life. People make good music. If you are a musician, you know what I'm talking about, don't you? Yeah. So one day, Eurydice was out. He was outside picking some flowers. All was well. It's very good, beautiful day, everything is good, until she reached for a delicate bloom and startled a poisonous snake, which bit her. When she did not return home, Orpheus went to look for her, but it was already too late. So the beautiful lady, the beautiful wife, Eurydice, stayed at home and enjoyed his husband's music. And during the daytime, Orpheus went out to make more music. Eurydice stayed at home and wanted to do some interior decoration. So she wanted to get some flowers. So she went out. She went out and found a flower and was amazed by the flower. Oop-de-doo, bad things happened. She was bitten by a snake. And then she's gone. She died. Orpheus looked around for her day and night, look here, look there, look up, look down, look left, look right. no place he could find her, only found out that she's gone, she's dead. Eurydice's soul had passed into the underworld. She's dead, completely dead, and she already passed the river. She's already in the underworld. Orpheus, the musician, was distraught. From that day on, he played only mourning music. It was filled with so much sadness that, oh my goodness, I'm almost crying. And even the gods felt pity for him. I'm sorry, this is a nighttime. Ignore it. So he was so sad. Even the gods feel it, and they feel pity for him. In fact, they felt so sorry for Orpheus that they allowed him an audience with Hades in the underground. So they allowed him to play in the underground. This is one way of saying, or another way say that Orpheus found his wife has passed, so he went to underground to look for Hades, the god of the underground. Give me back my wife, give me back. Yeah, you already have a wife. Why do you want to have my lady with you? Okay. And please, Hades, Orpheus said, he begging, yeah, return Eurydice to me. I cannot live without her. Any single minute, any single second, I just cannot live. I can't. Hades grumbled, I can't just let every soul out of the underworld because their family asks me. Imagine the chaos above if I did so. You ask me, you want her back, and then I give you. How about another person? How about the other person? Everyone come to ask me. Think about the rule. Think about the law. Law is law. Rule is rule. Okay? Think twice. Luckily, Hades' wife, the beautiful Persephone, was touched by Orpheus' love for Eurydice. Can you see how much he loves her? She said. And haven't you heard his music? It's heartbreaking. It's heartbreaking. Hades was persuaded by his wife. Leave the underworld, he told Orpheus, and I will allow Eurydice to follow you. Gosh, Hades is a soft shell. He's so easy to be persuaded. And his wife said, Persephone said, okay, let her go. And he let her go. Oh my, that's too easy. Yeah. Sometimes men lost their mind. Yeah. He told Orpheus, leave the underworld, and I allow Eurydice to follow you. But there is just one, single one. Not two, not three, one, only one rule. You must not turn around to look at her until you have reached the world above. If you look back when she is still in the underworld, that's done deal. You will never get out. She will never get out. Orpheus set off backward. Orpheus then set out, go back towards the land of the living, and Eurydice followed him. So Orpheus went to the underground, went to the underworld, and he told Eurydice, don't ever call me. I am going. I believe in you. I have faith in you. I know 100% you will follow me, right? Will you promise me, pinky promise? And then Eurydice pinky promised, and I will not look at you, not because I do not love you. This is the rule. I cannot look at you. If I look at you, you will never go up. Just follow me. Whatever happens, just follow me. So at first, Orpheus was overjoyed, but the longer he walked, the more he started to doubt about Hades. Is he a trustworthy person? He stole his wife from the mother, from the god of harvest. He stole his Persephone, right? Can I trust him? He started to doubt. Or what if Eurydice does not follow me? Or what if Eurydice lost her way? As he neared the gate that led out to the upper world from the underworld, Orpheus, the very last second, Orpheus lost himself. The doubt took the better part of him. He could not control, but looked back. And do I need to say anything? See, he sneaked back for a glance. What did he see? He saw the most beautiful lady in the whole wide world, Eurydice, her bride, his girl, his love, his lady, his life, his soul, his heart, his everything. He saw the face, and he saw the face vanishing, disappearing. Orpheus had failed to follow Hades' instruction, and Eurydice was gone forever. One time, I can try to help you. Second time, you do not have a hope. Eurydice is gone forever. Orpheus was dismayed. His only comfort was that when his own time came to enter the underworld, he would be united with his wife again. And before that, before the day he united with his wife again, he sang the most beautiful, most sorrow, most heartbreaking, most emotional, most take my breath away. Do 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 do. Take my breath away. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Goodbye, bye. I love Orpheus. I love Eurydice. I love this beautiful story. this is a good ending. If they were together, life needs to be imperfect with something missing. And that is poetry. That is love. That is beauty. Nothing is perfect. I love the one I love even more when they have trouble, when they are going through obstacles. I have faith in